Troops from Assam Rifles, in collaboration with the Tamenglong District administration and local residents, marked the 10th International Day of Yoga on June 21, 2024. The event, themed Yoga for Self and Society, unfolded at Apollo Ground in Manipur's Tamenglong District. It brought together a diverse gathering of over 120 attendees, including district officials, the police security forces, students, and enthusiastic locals. The celebration underscored a dual focus on personal health and societal well being, resonating with the collective spirit of the community.
It is such a privilege observing the International Yoga Day. The exercise given through this yoga process is very good. It really enlightened us. Everyone should observe this day, and every day we should practice this yoga posture and positions and exercise.
We are so excited and we are so privileged to be a part of this. We enjoy the yoga in this very time. I'm so happy to be in part of this and I thank you.
Today we have a great privilege to be part of Yoga's Day, which is organized by Assam Rifles at Apollo Indoor Stadium, where most of the students from Tamenglong have come and take part here. We have a pleasure time. It's a great benefit for our health as well, and students have a great time. They have shared their experience as well, and we are hoping to have another great time next year. Thank you.